Good morning. Today we're going to carry on looking at our letter sounds. So let's look at the letters sounds that we've done so far. So we had S, S. Then we had A, A, A for apple. Then we had T, T, T for tower. Then we had P, P, P. And we've got a pirate. So today we're going to look at I. I. Come down, we've got a dot. That's the sound I. Now I found one of these outside, which is a icicle, and there's also some ice outside today with our snow day. We also sometimes have a invitation. We receive an invitation to a party, and today I'm inside because it's quite cold outside today, so I'm inside. And often when we're in the garden we look for different insects. So insects. We also sometimes think we're eating ice cream. When we're in school, we pretend to be eating ice cream. Okay, so practice your sound for today and see if you can find anything with that sound. I. Have a good day.